Many of you have been coming to my DM to ask if it's possible to get a teaching job here in Japan before arrival. And I keep saying, yes, it's possible. And because there are so many questions coming in, I decided to do this video to help you, to guide you. Anyway, my little way. Yes. So first, I've answered your question. It is possible, and I know the lesson will be how. Okay, so the how is this: you can apply for a job, and when you get the job, the company hiring you will send you some documents for you to go to the embassy in Abuja to apply for your visa, and then you can come. So many have asked if they really need to study English as a course in university, or do they need IELTS or other English competency examination to pass to get this job. And I keep saying it is optional, but if you have it, it will be an added advantage, right? So what is needed is minimum of bachelor's degree. And of course, our official language in Nigeria is English. So if you have studied in Nigeria, it's acceptable to get a job here in Japan as a teacher. Like I said, if you're a teacher, you have your license, you have the experience and all that, is going to be an added advantage. Okay, so let's get down to what you need to do. First, for this video, I'm going to recommend a job site because there are several job sites, and hopefully most times they are good. And of course, there are so many companies hiring within and outside Japan. So what the job site will do for you is this: when you create the resume, your resume with them, automatically they will be able to fish out those companies that are hiring applicants living outside Japan. So that is what is expected of you, to be able to convince them that you are a good catch for the job. All right. So first, I'm going to recommend gaijinport.com. They are very good. I have used them and I can recommend them anytime, any day. So all you need to do is to take your time and fill out the resume form, create a resume with them. Oftentimes it is required to have more than one. Of course, as you know, if you're applying for a job, it's good to modify your resume to suit the job you are applying for. Yes, you cannot use the same resume or CV to apply. You used to apply for ALT job, and then you're using it to apply for early years educator job. So they are different things. So that is what I want to guide you. So you go to Gaijinport and then fill out the form, create your resume with them, and the available jobs, the ones you are eligible for, will be sent to you. You'll be able to see them in your feed, and then you can apply. Then let's talk about how to present or compose your resume for teaching jobs in Japan in another video. Let's not make it a very lengthy one, but several candidates I've guided to have found out that it's a challenge to be able to present their profile to suit the job that they are applying for. Remember to specify that you are applying from and outside Japan. So many friends have asked, is it okay to say that they are not yet in Japan? Of course, you have to be sincere. Because if you're saying you are here in Japan, you have to provide your address. And I will not give you my address. No, you are outside Japan. So let your information state correctly where you are, what you are doing, and what you intend to do or apply for. All right. And what other question have been coming? Some friends have also asked, how do they go about their visa? You have not gotten the job yet. So let's talk about visa when you get the job. And like I've mentioned previously, your hiring company is going to provide you with the required documents for your visa. So you don't need to worry about that. Once you get the job, your visa will be so easy to get. All right. And what other question? Okay, so like I said, let's keep it short for each video. This is the first episode, and the next one we are going to talk about other issues or other companies that are hiring too, and other job sites. So I want you to share with anyone interested in migrating to Japan this video. So many people need the information and the guide. This one I'm making it depending on the questions that are coming to my DM. So feel free to suggest what you want us to create for the next episode. Ask your questions, your concern, and then so we can create the next video to suit your need. And so this is how we get the inspiration for our subsequent contents. So I try to answer questions that I have in my DM so I can reach a wider audience at the same time. It's not easy for me to attend to one person, same question, another person, same question. So I think this can help us to be able to help each other and help everyone.